Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And for a simple check whether you've got the update pending or not, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, if you will decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi, thanks to which you can avoid some charges, some payments, because the files which are associated with the update are quite large. Alright, so we've got the internet connection, now we can open the settings. Here in the settings, we have to scroll all the way down to find this option System Update, and simply after tapping on it, your device will immediately start searching for the update. And basically you can meet two different scenarios, two different results. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.